docking activity that's being shown here now. The 25th Progress spacecraft was docked to the aft end of the Zvezda service module of the International Space Station. It arrived at the station in May of 2007, resupplying the space station's consumables and equipment. After undocking, this Progress vehicle will remain in orbit away from the International Space Station for about a week as engineers in Russia monitor its orbit and gather information about the propulsion system for engineering tests. Next Tuesday, the engines will be fired for the deorbit burn to direct it to the Earth's atmosphere to burn up. We're watching this video recorded from cameras on the outside of the International Space Station as the 25th Progress cargo spacecraft undocked from the space station Tuesday evening. The spacecraft left the aft port of the Zvezda service module. Undocking was at 7:37 p.m. Central Time. Clearing of that aft port makes way for the relocation of the Soyuz crew vehicle that is docked at the space station, currently docked to the earthward-facing or nadir port on the Zarya module. That will be relocated by the space station residents over to the port side, the aft end of the service module, to clear the Zarya port for the arriving Soyuz and Expedition 16 crew in October. The relocation of the Soyuz currently at the station is scheduled for September 27th. And then the subsequent arrival of the next Soyuz and Expedition 16 crew is on October 12th. This is Mission Control Houston, continuing to watch the video recorded Tuesday evening from the International Space Station, showing the 25th Progress cargo vehicle for the station undocking and backing away from the complex in a series of separation burns that will leave the Progress vehicle in orbit for about a week, with its final deorbit burn scheduled for next Tuesday for its target towards the Earth's atmosphere to burn up. The next week will include a test of the thruster and propellant usage of the propulsion system on the Progress spacecraft for the Russian Scientific Research Institute of Solar and Earth Physics. This is Mission Control Houston, continuing to watch video of the Progress spacecraft that undocked from the International Space Station Tuesday evening. The video was captured using cameras on the outside of the International Space Station being operated by the Communications and Tracking Officer here in Mission Control.